guys, it's me again. My name is Diana. Today I will show you how easy it is to earn $138 on signals in just 5 minutes. Transactions will be 1 minute at a time on our signals. The signals are free and open, and the link to the Telegram channel will be in the description below this video. Let's get started! I suggest we start. I go to our Telegram channel with the signals and see that another signal has come. There is not much time left to buy a contract, and I immediately make a deal down on a new minute candle. Please note that the payment under this contract is 87%. In advance, I already had the price of the contract, the expiration time of 1 minute and the direction down. Our trading robot also bought a contract and an hourglass image appeared, waiting for the result. The contract ended with a loss. I changed the contract value by $120 and buy the contract again for 1 minute down on a new candle. And again, I wait for the result. My trading robot puts a second hourglass, which means that it also bought me a second contract. The deal brings me $58 of net profit. Waiting for a new signal. A new signal came out and I immediately buy a contract for a decrease of $50. I make sure that the payment under this contract is above 70%. I have everything set up in advance. Don't forget that. The deal brought me $40 net profit, and I offered to buy the last contract. I see a new signal, the payment is fine with me. On a new minute candle, I buy a contract for a decrease. The deal brought me $40 net profit. You can see how my bot changes the hourglass image to a green check mark. This means that the contract has made a profit. Today I earned $138 and can safely complete my trade and go to the beach. I'm waiting for you in my Telegram channel. Under this video, I will post a link to my profile. Write to me in private messages and I will teach you how to trade. Bye!